Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, this door is heavy. Yeah. Solid. Nice doors. Woo. This looks good.
Thank you.
Tell me your name and what's in here real quick.
Shawn, Testamark. I got 4 XT315s on 2 Crossfire 6Ks. Strap at half home.
How's your electrical? Like, where's your battery power and alternator power?
Like 15, 615.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Who built this?
Chad, Sid, and then Ryan Collins.
Okay, looks good.
All Crossfire, everything Crossfire.
Crossfire build.
Yep.
Remember last time I had a demo?
There was a no wall.
You had a no wall.
Yeah. Wakanda forever.
Yes.
This is my grandfather.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Awesome. I'm gonna go. Can I see the amps in the back?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Woo. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Shawn system at the Slamfest audio show. This was the thumbnail and actually his prior system he was talking about. I put the link in the description if you want to see that video. Definitely recommend checking it out after watching this whole video. Pretty impressive to see how loud he got. And I think it's the same vehicle as well. So you got to stay tuned. He's got a really good demo and got some outside flex footage as well. So notice the way that port is of this 4th order. Really nice, clean install. And it looks like it's removable. So if you needed to tweak it, adjust the port area or length to help fine tune the low end bandwidth. Did a really good job with the builder. Shout out to them. And having the subs inverted and a 4th order sealed enclosure, there is an actual box behind these subs where the cones are for the sealed section. And I don't know what these RMS ratings are on these subs. Maybe somebody could let us know. But be sure to hit the like button and comment what you think about his system. Did a really good job with the whole system. And he's got plenty of room in the back for a total of 12,000 watts between these 2 amps with a nice amp plaque layout. And don't know exactly how much lithium. I'm going to guess it's at 90 amp hour. And a high output alternator, of course, underneath the hood. So we're getting to the demo now. Subscribe for daily videos and enjoy. Oh, you're good, man.
electrical bandwidth.
Doesn't fall off. Really good job. Thank you for the demo. I remember you. I think I remember last time I had a demo.
There was a no wall.
You had a no wall.
Yeah. Wakanda forever.
Yes.
This is my grandfather.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.